This video is intended to take you through a step-by-step process for setup and use of the X-Tack Endoscopic Helix Tacking System. X-Tack allows for suture-based, deep submucosal and intramuscular enhanced fixation through a standard gastroscope or colonoscope. X-Tack is intended for approximation of soft tissue in minimally invasive gastroenterology procedures such as the closure and healing of ESD, EMR sites, and closing of fistula, perforations, or leaks. The X-Tack system is not intended for hemostasis of acute bleeding ulcers. Let's begin. Upon opening the package of the X-Tack Endoscopic Helix Tacking System, you will find three components: the X-Tack bracket to affix onto the scope handle, the Becker card with 3-threaded helix tacks, the X-Tack catheter with scope liner, and finally, the X-Tack handle. Slide the X-Tack bracket onto the scope with the arrow pointing upwards. Wrap the blue strap above the scope channel and secure to the bracket pit. Insert the X-Tack device with preloaded helix tack and scope liner into the scope channel. Ensure the biopsy cap is open and the scope is straight. Fully seat the scope liner funnel into the biopsy cap. Remove the X-Tack Becker card from the device catheter by folding the tab towards the helix tacks. Position the Becker card by inserting into both side tabs. Pull on the red scope liner clamp to release and remove. The X-Tack Endoscopic Helix Tacking System is now ready for use. Ensure the handle slider is in the reset position labeled R, and the push catheter is in the initial locked position. Maneuver the scope to the target site. Recommended helix tack placement is approximately 5 to 10 millimeters from the defect margin. Verify position before fully driving into tissue. While applying forward pressure to the catheter, drive the helix tack by slowly pulling the handle slider to the D position until the hard stop is reached. Visually verify that the helix tack eyelet is flush with tissue. Gently pull back on the device catheter to ensure adequate helix tack engagement. To deploy the helix tack, ensure the handle slider is in the D position. Press and hold the blue release button while advancing the push catheter forward until the hard stop is reached. Remove the drive catheter from the scope. Reset the handle by sliding the push catheter back to the lock position until it clicks into place. Move the handle slider to the R position. Reload the second helix tack by securing the distal end of the catheter and advance the driver into the reload pill until the driver engages. Continue to advance and then remove the catheter with a loaded helix tack. While holding tension on the suture, slowly advance the helix tack along with the suture into the working channel. Maneuver the scope and target the second position. Verify position before driving into the tissue. Reposition and repeat technique to place the second helix tack. Prior to deployment and with the driver still engaged, apply tension to the suture to approximate tissue. Deploy the second helix tack. Repeat technique for each additional helix tack. After the fourth and final helix tack placement, remove the device catheter and scope liner from the working channel, leaving the suture in place. To load the cinch, thread approximately 3 centimeters of the proximal end of the suture through the gold suture loading loop. Pull the gold tab in line with the catheter until the suture has passed through the peak collar. While holding slight suture tension, insert the cinch into the working channel. Advance the cinch until it extends approximately 3 to 4 centimeters past the scope, ensuring that it is parallel to the tissue. While holding the cinch catheter in place, apply tension to the suture until the helix tacks and tissue has been approximated. Care should be taken not to pull suture too tight, resulting in breakage. Prior to deploying the cinch, Hold suture tension gently. Grasp between thumb and pointer finger, allowing the suture to slide. Open the cinch handle with the palm facing down. This will release the safety mechanism. Deploying the cinch is completed in 3 stages. Stage 1. Squeeze the cinch handle with one hand to pull the PEEK plug into the PEEK collar and lock the suture. Stage 2 of deploying the cinch will require 2 hands. Continue to squeeze the cinch handle to advance the beaded rod through the PEEK plug. Finally, continue to squeeze the handle to activate the suture cutter and release the PEEK collar and plug. Remove the cinch and remaining suture from the scope channel. Visually inspect final closure. Thank you for viewing the setup video for the X-Tack Endoscopic Helix Tacking System. For more information, please contact your local Boston Scientific sales representative.